Weaknesses don't have to be the end of the story. In fact, some of the best opportunities for growth, innovation, and transformation come directly from the places where we struggle the most. In this video, we'll explore how to turn weaknesses into opportunities and why this shift in mindset can be a powerful advantage. The first step is reframing. Weaknesses aren't just flaws, they're signals. They point to what's missing, what's out of date, or what's holding you back. Instead of hiding from them, use them to ask better questions. What would it look like if this weakness became a strength? What would have to change? What new value could be unlocked? Let's take a simple example. A team with slow communication. That's a clear weakness. But it also reveals an opportunity to improve workflows, adopt better tools, or establish new norms for transparency. Addressing the weakness doesn't just fix a problem. It creates a more agile, connected team. Or imagine a product that lacks market traction. On the surface, that's a weakness. But dig deeper, and it might reveal a hidden opportunity. Maybe the product needs repositioning, or there's an underserved niche you hadn't considered. The feedback that highlights your weaknesses can also point the way toward what customers actually want. Turning weaknesses into opportunities often requires experimentation. You won't always know the right solution at first. That's why agile thinking is key. Try something small, measure the results, and iterate. Treat your weakness as a prototype, not a permanent limitation. It also requires the right culture. Organizations that reward transparency, learning, and problem-solving are better equipped to turn setbacks into breakthroughs. Teams that fear failure or hide issues tend to get stuck. That's why one of the most strategic things you can do is make it safe to talk about weaknesses and to act on them. From a personal perspective, this mindset is just as valuable. If you've always struggled with organization, for example, that's not just a weakness. It's a chance to explore new tools, routines, or support systems that make you more efficient. Over time, you may develop habits that become your new strengths. Sometimes, weaknesses point to opportunities for partnerships. If your company lacks certain skills or technologies, that's a chance to collaborate with others who fill the gap. Many successful startups have grown by focusing on what they do well and finding allies to cover the rest. You can also look at industry trends. A weakness today may become an opportunity tomorrow as technology, markets, or customer expectations change. Companies that struggled with remote work in the past, for example, have turned that weakness into a strength by adopting flexible hybrid models that attract talent and reduce costs. And don't forget storytelling. Sharing how you turned a weakness into a strength, whether it's a business turnaround, a product pivot, or a personal breakthrough, can inspire others and build trust. People respect those who own their gaps and grow through them. In your SWOT analysis, don't just list your weaknesses. Connect them to your opportunities. Look for leverage points. What would change if this weakness disappeared? What new outcomes become possible? Turning weaknesses into opportunities doesn't mean ignoring the challenges. It means facing them with curiosity and creativity. That's where real growth lives. And that's how strategic thinking turns pressure into progress.